Hi, I'm here at the Chilma Delphi Volunteer Fire Department with Firefighter Quinn, and he's going to tell you about the area and what this fire department has to offer.
As far as our public here, we have a diverse culture here in the First Due area, which is the area surrounding the fire station here, which travels about 8 miles from the firehouse all the way down to Eastern Avenue and all the way up to the Beltway, so it's about 4 miles that way and 3 miles that way, and to the Montgomery line and to the College Park border. It's the majority of our population is of the Hispanic community, so it makes it very difficult on most EMS calls to communicate, to actually find out what is wrong with the person. And like I said, that is the majority.
So where do the people get transported?
The closest hospital from here is Washington Adventist Hospital in Tacoma Park, which is directly across the Montgomery County border. It's about 2 miles away from here. And our trauma patients, people who are stabbed, shot, car crashes, they go to MedStar, which is in the Washington Hospital Center in downtown DC.
Are you aware of any gang activities?
Officially or unofficially? Because officially, Jack Johnson says there are no organized gangs in Prince George's County. Unofficially, oh yeah. There's a lot of stuff goes on, especially at nighttime and on weekends. I know the police, when they're suspecting something going on because they're always parked out in the back parking lot, 20 cars, and they're all together divided with some plan to go, break down somebody's door or something. But there's a lot of gang-related stabbings and stuff, and just most of the time, a lot of calls we run at nighttime are assaults. Just people attempted robberies and they get beat up. But yes, there is gang-related activity around. I say Langley Park is the biggest secret in Prince George's County. Everything that happens here is kept quiet. Anything bad, nothing ever gets out. You never hear about anybody being killed, beaten or robbed or anything. It's just a little note in the paper about that big. This person was, filed a police report because they were assaulted.
But it's crazy because they claim there's a lot of gang-related activities in this area. There's a lot of Hispanics. It's kind of not MS-13
yes.
activities.
I didn't want to throw the name out there. I can tell you of one call I ran. I was actually working at the other Chilma Firehouse, about 1.5 miles up Ridge Road. And we ran the ambulance right down the street here, actually, in the one apartment complex. It was just for checking on welfare, and he went down there, and he ended up being probably about, I don't know, he's probably between about 16 and 19-year-old male, was shot in the head, right next to the apartment building, and MS-13 was painted right on the building, right above. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Broad daylight. So, my guess, I don't know why it happened, but there is a lot of activity goes on in the area. We'll say there's a good amount of crime, but it's the hidden community. Nobody knows about it, but it's here. That's for sure.
Although many services provided to the citizens of Langley Park, there are still many problems the community faces. 72.3% of the residents do not speak English as their primary language, and 72.5% do not have a high school diploma. This leaves families unaware of the available health services and programs. Washington Adventist Hospital, which is primarily used by the residents of Langley Park, is moving further away into Silver Spring. With all these factors combined, the community of Langley Park is at risk for ineffectively maintaining their health.
Langley Park has the same support systems as Tacoma Park?
Same support system?
Like they have a council or
Langley?
police?
This is very important to know about Maryland. Maryland doesn't have many cities, and the counties in Maryland are what most people use when they have problems like safety or gangs or development or anything else. And so the part of Langley Park that's in Montgomery County and not in Tacoma Park, okay, north of University, in other words, that part they have to deal with the county. The part that's east of New Hampshire, actually there's a block or two you have to go before you get into Prince George's County, they have to deal with Prince George's County. And there's not a city there. The only city is the part that's Tacoma Park. And one of the things that's been a bit of a struggle is coordinating with those other jurisdictions, because we want to, and particularly in that area of the city, we want to do things for the whole Crossroads area, you know, not just Tacoma Park, you know, that doesn't really work very well. So there's been a lot of effort to try to meet with community groups there, to meet with recreation departments of both Montgomery County and Sturgis County, the police departments. There's a business association that's been formed that's trying to get more businesses to be part of it, because we are trying to work with.
It's like stuck in the middle.
Yeah, it's kind of stuck in the middle. Yeah.
To help Langley Park reach their goal of effectively maintaining their health, we've proposed several interventions. The first intervention is to partner with Langley Park McCormick Elementary School to host a summer health fair program for the residents of Langley Park. This health fair program will include health teaching regarding nutrition and physical activity and offer free screenings such as vision, hearing, BMI, and blood pressure. The next intervention includes establishing a committee of healthcare professionals and county council members that will meet biannually to provide education and advocacy for healthcare programs in Langley Park. Our last intervention involves raising awareness of healthcare services in Langley Park. There are a variety of healthcare services in Langley Park, but many residents are unaware of these services. Therefore, we've proposed an intervention that will collaborate with local newspapers and local radio stations to help raise awareness and advertisement of these services.
Now that you've seen the many aspects of Langley Park, it is clear that although the community is rich in cultural heritage, it lacks primary preventive measures in order to effectively maintain the health of the community. Thank you and have a great day.
Bye! Thank you for visiting Langley Park!
Blanco, acércame tu pantalón. Blanco, regálame tu panty. Blanco, acércame tu pantalón. Blanco, regálame tu panty. Blanco, acércame tu pantalón. Blanco, regálame tu panty. Blanco, acércame tu pantalón.
And this is the 7-Eleven. And we're just getting some cut.
Hi, I'm here at Philadelphia Volunteer Fire Department, and I'm here with Firefighter Quinn, and he's going to tell you a little bit about what
You can try the
A little
video.
about the area
Yeah.
and the department. We're all wore out. Tell the fire chief to hire more people. Don't put that in there.
Our last intervention involves. Our last intervention. What was our last intervention involve? Did you just film all that?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Our last intervention. Please don't show all this in the outtakes.
Wait. And action.
Now that you've seen the many aspects of Langley Park, primary preventive measures in order to keep I cannot remember that part. It's annoying.